Well, I took this old speed feed head off this. I still don't know what this is. I think I found it on. I found on YouTube. A guy had these with this head on it, with this ugly ass head on it. Um, I hate this type of head because. Hold on, just give me a second. Because in here, as you can see, I have two separate weed eater lines. So that means there's two sections in here, one on the top and one on the bottom. Now that sucks. Now I'm gonna have to be putting in two. So I was like, man, I don't even know how to do this. Fuck this shit. So went to Home Depot and bought a Speed Feed 400, whatever. This is universal kit. This is an Echo machine too, so bought the right one. But like I was saying earlier, I saw a guy on YouTube had one of these, the same exact thing with the. I'm gonna show you how I know this. It goes on the air filter. You see that air filter right there? This air filter. Whoa. Okay. Just switch this around. This air filter doesn't have the thing. This is a newer model, so it doesn't have the thing on it right here. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about in a minute. You guys are probably like, and this one comes with the head on it already. I took the shield off. I hate the shield. The shield is around here somewhere. I don't know where the hell the shield is. Just be losing things. But this one doesn't have it. It has the thing right here. The choke is right here. You pull it up. It's weird. You know, it's different. This is my first time ever seeing something like this. Usually the choke is on the side. It's like a little lever you pull up or push down. You literally prime it, then you pull the lever up to cold start it, and you pull it on, and then you just push it back down quickly as you can. This right here, you prime it, pull this up to cold start it, and then push it back down. The video that I saw, the guy had this, and he was doing the same thing that I was doing, changing the speed head. And I saw his video, and I was like, oh shit, this is the same one that he has. So, mine has Echo right there, the logo. But I saw his had the same thing, but he said his is a Echo 2400. So, but this one is a 30.5 cc displacement engine. So, I don't know like which one he had, but I'm going to search up the Echo 2400 and see if they're about the same. If that one is that, because I don't know the model of this one. I know that one's the SRM 225. I know that hedge trimmer is the SRM 225S or something like that. And that's the PB 250LN. You know, this is a TB 430 Troy built. But this right here is the Echo, so I changed the speed feed head, and I got it started. It's finally running now. All it needed was, I mean, it fucking sucks how I stripped the bolt, man. I can't really, clean the head that good. So whatever. This thing works now. It came with an adapter. You see the black piece in there. I could have just mounted this on top of this, but it came with an adapter, an extra spacer to put it in to shorten the length of the thing you screwed on. So now it's screwed on this much instead of it, being up to here. This bottom piece would have, I don't know why the light just shut off, but I think it's because of low battery. But this bottom piece right here, this would have been here, but it's on that spacer. So thank God. Now I don't have trouble for trying to figure out how to fucking do this. I'm gonna probably sell this on Craigslist with these two little fucking lines. See if I can get like $15 out of this. I mean, it's still good. I just don't know how to use it. I'm just gonna tell them it came off an Echo, and I'm happy that I bought this thing. It also comes with some extra things in there, some little accessories in there, as you can see, some gadgets and gadget screws. So I am grateful. That thing ran me about $31. I went out there to self-checkout. It's about $31.17. So this is a good buy. I'm gonna do my next cut with it. So I am excited. I can't wait to get started. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And you guys have a good night. See you later, San Francisco. See you later, Florida. See you later, Nueva York. See you later, Cambodia. See you later, Australia. Comment in the section below where you guys are from. North Carolina, Georgia, ATL, Costa Rica. All right, guys. Peace.